Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto renewal for your membership on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off auto renewal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Maybe you don't want your Costco membership to renew. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on account on the bottom middle hand side. Afterwards, go ahead and click on payment methods underneath payment methods. And then if you give it a couple of seconds to load, where it says set up membership auto renew, click on that. So on this page here, you should be able to see a go ahead check mark. So you can either enable in membership auto renew or don't enroll in membership auto renew and then click on save auto renew settings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off auto renewal on your Costco membership on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.